Hello everybody, Tom Polisi here with Las Vegas Aesthetics in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am going to show a quick procedure today. The patient said, if you ever need to use me for any video trainings or anything like that, she goes, go right ahead. And I said, that's fantastic. So, and because that's exactly what I was going to ask her to do. She has super full lips to begin with. She just wanted more contouring done to them. So we're going to use one syringe of Restylane, and I'm going to show you how I do this with the border and everything, and how to maximize the fullness, not make them look ducky looking. It just shows a different lifestyle that PAs can have and what we can do with our degree. And hope you guys like this. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so I did over here, this whole section over here, vermilion border. Now, all right, so here, the vermilion border comes all the way down here. This is a corner. So you get, so you can see the needle tip, right? You see the needle, I'm picking it up, and you flatten it, you pick it up. I'm injecting now. Super light touch, and you can feel it, it's totally smooth. And then if you go like this, you can feel where the product stops, and it stops right there, so you go a little bit behind it with the needle. Super light injecting, so you see the product going in. And it defines the border.
Yeah, I see.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to go to this point here, and then another one down. We'll do that now. So feel the product there. If I raise the needle up, you can see where it's right at the peak. Nice, perfect.
Nice, yeah.
So this is the only part in the top lip that's remaining. From here to here, I don't want anything to stick in. She's swelling up, so it makes the border a little bit more vague.
I know.
It's all right.
Mm.
Cool. Is it bad?
Oh, you're fine.
It looks like it's in a big ball over here, but when you take the needle out, it flattens.
And we're just doing lighter on the border than we did last time because there was still stuff in there, right?
Seeing the contour is perfect. That's what you're looking for, is the contour. There's a little dip right in a smidge right there. It's not going to get away from me. Perfect. Okay. See how it will track across. I feel the product over here. It's only a half-inch needle. So I went in here, that's where the needle stops. The product's over here, ready to tracks right across. Very full. And she has such a full bottom lip. You don't need to put product there. It's just for contouring. So here, now these are done. They're starting to swell up, but you see the vermilion border going all over here, and it's perfect. You don't want to see a lot of bulk out here. You want to confine it to the pink-white border. And as you see, right there. And of course, this is swollen, but you see how nice and full they look. You know, all the border is definitive, and they feel good. They don't feel hard as a rock. This is just swollen, and this will come down. But yeah, this lips.